Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is on Amazon. You will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Made of enamel on steel, blue speckled finish, perfectly flat base, traditional and authentic design, durable and versatile, conducts heat evenly and is easy to clean, designed for all stovetops and oven. Show more, do 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 more. The number 3 on the list is choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Exceptional design. The Cuisinart 16-inch rectangular roaster is made with a high-performance stainless steel exterior and riveted stainless steel handles. The steel rack is large enough to handle a big Thanksgiving turkey and perfect for slow roasting. Root vegetables. Sturdy and strong. A sturdy rack with stainless steel handles allows elevated cooking exposure for fat to drain off of food and makes removing items easy. Measurements. Pan measurements. 16.8 inches length, 12.8 inches width, 3.4 inches high. Handles with rack measurement. 21.1 inches length, 12.8 inches width, 5.8 inches high. Warranty. Lifetime warranty. The number 2 on the list is many positives. Reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Big roasting pan. Large, sturdy, durable steel roasting pan with reversible rack is perfect for roast beef, chicken, and turkeys up to 20 pounds, and it's great for lasagna and casseroles for a crowd. 2. Non-stick roaster set. Roasting pan and reversible rack feature high-quality non-stick for excellent food release and easy cleaning. Easy handling. Wide roasting pan handles offer a comfy grip, even with bulky oven mitts on or when using the roaster as a turkey pan. Versatile design. Roasting pan set is oven safe to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for a variety of roasting recipes. High-low roasting rack. Reversible flat rack can sit low in the pan or elevated to accommodate chopped vegetables and other aromatics when roasting. The number 1 on the list is this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Superior cooking for years to come. Heavy-duty steel roaster pan designed to resist warping for years of roasting performance. Elevated cooking experience. Roasting pan features a removable chrome-plated rack which raises meats up to allow fats to drip away. Easy cleaning non-stick roaster. Non-stick, inside and out, delivers great food release with quick cleanup. Roasting pan is oven safe to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Sturdy. Easy to grip handles. Wide. Dual riveted cast stainless steel handles on the roasting pan make it easier to remove from the oven, while wide handles on the chrome-plated rack aid in removing roasts, turkey, seafood and more.